it's just like accordion reeds built in underneath.
I like how it's coming out though. It's very kind of this spatialness.
Yes, the sound is kind of coming from below. Yeah.
How long have you been doing this? Making these?
Probably since I was 10 years old.
Now, how much variation do you get as time?
Oh, you mean the firework?
Sound? Yeah. How does the sound vary over time?
You mean with this instrument or which
this one?
With the, well, it also depends on the outside temperature. Like you have to tune it different. You know, like when it's winter in a cold climate or cold room, it's different from here. You know, so they are all kind of tuned together. So and I didn't tune it today. Like it's nice to have a little bit beating.
Bit of wobble.
Yeah,
That. Makes it more interesting.
Like right now, kind of,
They don't auto-tune.
Huh?
They don't auto-tune. Do you adjust the...
No, it's the length.
Only the length, yeah.
Only the length. Also a little bit the pressure on the gas.
Yeah, right. But where that jet is doesn't matter.
Uh,
Sweet spot.
Oh yeah.